Hi, I did something super brave yesterday. I had been holding on to this vacuum cleaner that did not work from a past relationship during COVID. And look, I'm trying to find the best light. and it had been sitting in the closet for 2 years. And yesterday I finally got rid of it. And then when I got rid of it, I had this whole weight just lifted up from me. And then what I did, which was, oh, that's better lighting. Then what I did was that I watched this talk, amazing talk, about this woman who had died, and she had an afterlife experience, and she came back and she said, and she was a singer, and she, was talking about that, she had albums to finish and that kind of thing, but what this voice said to her when she crossed over to the other side was, what's most important are your relationships, cleaning up your relationships. So I heard that and I was like, okay, I have relationships to clean up. So I sent my ex an email thanking him for being such a compassionate partner during COVID. And then he responded this morning with the most beautiful email, open-hearted and loving, and it was just amazing. And so by letting go of that vacuum cleaner, I welcomed in this open-hearted space within myself. And so and now I'm going on a date today, and I'm excited about this date. I've had a bunch of them. I've been on this online dating adventure, and so you never know. But anyway, so I'm excited. But I was like, oh my gosh, I've had these infections in my eyes for months, and I haven't been able to wear eye makeup. And so, but I got brave this morning, and I have this amazing friend of mine who's also Mary Kay representative, and I said, can you help me with my makeup this morning for this date? And so she texted back and she said, yeah, I'm on my way to church, I'll stop by and do your eyes. That's why I'm doing this eye thing. So anyway, I'm like, well, so if you have past resentments and hurts and all of that are keeping you from moving on and loving yourself and spreading that love to the world, I just encourage you to do it. Do whatever you need to do to clean it up. Be the brave one. Be the one who says, you know what? Okay, we all made mistakes, right? We hurt each other. We did things. We said things. But man, we're here to love, right? So wish me luck on my date. And yeah, I wish you luck in love.